Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Michael. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. What are you doing right now?
I'm watching an English learning video.
Oh, that's great. Are you learning English these days?
Yes, I am trying to learn English.
Why do you want to learn English?
Because my English is not good.
That's okay. Many people feel the same.
Yes, but I feel shy when I speak English.
That is very normal for beginners.
Really?
Yes, don't worry about it.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for a long time.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I tried to practice every day.
What do you usually do to practice?
I watch videos, listen to English, and speak a little.
I also watch videos, but speaking is hard for me.
Speaking is hard at first.
I am afraid of making mistakes.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
That makes me feel better.
Do you understand English when you listen?
I understand slow English, but fast English is difficult.
That is very common.
Good to know I am not alone.
You are not alone at all.
Do you think my English can improve?
Yes, of course. With practice, it will improve.
I really want to speak English well.
That's a good goal.
I don't have anyone to practice speaking with.
You can practice by repeating sentences from videos.
Is that helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
I will try that.
Good. Do you write English too?
Yes, but I make many mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
I like that idea.
Do you read English?
Yes, I read short stories and easy sentences.
That is very good for beginners.
I try to understand every word.
You don't need every word, just understand the main idea.
Okay, I understand.
How much time do you study English every day?
About 15 minutes.
That is enough. Small steps are best.
I feel more confident now.
That's great.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome, Emily.
Let's continue learning English together.
Yes, let's do it.
Michael, can we practice speaking now?
Yes, of course. Let's practice together.
I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. Take it slow.
Okay, I will try.
Tell me about your day.
Today I woke up early.
Good. What did you do after that?
I had breakfast and drank some tea.
Nice. What did you do next?
I watched an English video.
Great choice. Did you learn anything new?
Yes, I learned some new words.
Can you say one word?
Yes, the word is practice.
Very good. Can you use it in a sentence?
I practice English every day.
Excellent sentence.
Thank you. That makes me happy.
You're doing very well.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence comes with practice.
Can we practice questions?
Yes, I will ask you some questions.
Okay, I'm ready.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Nice. Do you like cooking?
Yes, but I don't cook very well.
That's okay. Practice helps.
Yes, practice helps everything.
Exactly. What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do at work?
I answer emails and talk to colleagues.
Emily, today let's practice shopping.
Great. I need to buy some clothes.
Okay. Imagine you are at the store.
Excuse me, how much is this shirt?
That shirt is $20.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you. I like this shirt. Can I buy it?
Of course. Do you want anything else?
Yes, I want some shoes.
What size are you?
I wear size 7.
Here are the shoes in your size.
Thank you. I like them. How much are they?
They are $50.
Okay, I will buy them too.
Very good. Now you know how to shop in English.
Yes, I feel more confident.
How do you ask the price of something?
How much is this?
Excellent. Emily, now let's practice ordering food.
I like that. Hello, I would like a sandwich, please.
Sure. What drink would you like?
I want a glass of water.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be $10.
Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
That was easy.
Yes, simple sentences are enough for beginners.
Michael, I also want to learn directions.
Sure, let's practice.
Excuse me, how can I go to the bus station?
Go straight and turn left at the corner.
How far is it?
It is about 5 minutes by walk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I understand directions now.
Good. Asking questions is very important. Emily, what should we do every day to improve English?
I think we should practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing.
Yes, and don't forget pronunciation.
I will repeat sentences every day.
That's perfect. Even 10 to 15 minutes every day helps a lot.
I will make it my habit.
Step by step, you will see big improvement.
Thank you, Michael. You make learning fun.
You're welcome, Emily. I'm proud of your progress.
I feel confident now.
Confidence is the key. Keep practicing.
I will. See you next lesson.
See you, Emily. Emily, do you like sports?
Yes, I like walking and swimming.
That's great. How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise 3 times a week.
Very good. Exercise keeps you healthy.
Yes, and it also makes me happy.
Do you play any sports with friends?
Sometimes I play badminton.
Fun! I like playing football with my friends.
That sounds fun too. I want to try football one day.
Emily, how is the weather today?
It is sunny and warm.
Nice. Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I enjoy sunny days.
What do you do when it is sunny?
I like to walk outside or ride my bicycle.
That's healthy and fun. Emily, tell me about your family.
I have a small family. I live with my parents and younger brother.
That's nice. Do you spend time together?
Yes, we eat meals together and watch TV sometimes.
Family time is very important.
I agree.
Emily, what do you do at work?
I answer emails, attend meetings, and write reports.
That sounds busy.
Yes, but I enjoy learning new things every day.
That's a good attitude. Emily, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Very good. What about dinner?
I usually eat soup or noodles.
Nice and simple meals. Emily, have you ever traveled to another city?
Yes, I went to the mountains last year.
That sounds exciting. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I liked the fresh air and nature.
Traveling is a great way to practice English, too.
Really? How?
By talking to people, asking directions, and ordering food.
Oh, I see. That is useful.
Emily, do you like sports?
Yes, I like walking and swimming.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise 3 times a week.
Very good. Exercise keeps you healthy.
Yes, and it also makes me happy.
Do you play any sports with friends?
Sometimes I play badminton.
Fun! I like playing football with my friends.
That sounds fun too. I want to try football one day. Michael, let's practice shopping conversation.
Sure. Imagine you are buying gifts.
Excuse me, do you have gifts for children?
Yes, toys, books, and clothes.
I like these toys. How much are they?
They're $15 each.
I will buy 2 toys.
Do you want a gift bag?
Yes, please. How much?
$2.
Thank you. Shopping in English is fun.
You're doing very well. Emily, let's practice talking about health.
Okay.
How do you say if you are not feeling well?
I say, I don't feel well.
Good. What if you have a headache?
I say, I have a headache.
Excellent. And if you have a cold?
I say, I have a cold.
Perfect. What should you say to the doctor?
Doctor, I don't feel well. I have a headache and a cold.
Very clear. That's exactly right.
Thank you, Michael. I feel confident talking about health.
You're welcome, Emily. Talking about health is very important.